How do I create a second Instagram account with the same email? So the first step is you simply log into your main Instagram account. Then you will have to simply tap on the profile icon seen on the bottom right corner. Once you are in a profile interface, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner and it will guide you to settings and activity. Next, scroll down and navigate to the option called Add Account. Once you have done that, simply tap on it. Then select Create New Account. Now you simply have to enter the username and then simply tap on Next. After that, you have to create a password and then simply again tap on Next. And as you can see, basically this account will be linked to your main account. So tap on Complete Sign Up. And basically, that's all you have to do in order to create a second Instagram account with the same email. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.